Okay guys, super quick, $100. Let me show you how. This was $6 at a thrift shop. I can't believe they let me out of the store with it because it's a Brahmin, guys. Look at this gorgeous crocodile. It has a few little rubs. That's it. But look at all of the different browns on here. It's such an easy repair. And the bottom's perfect. All right, let's grab a little bit of boot polish and fix this as quickly as possible. 30-second repair. Medium brown. Let's go. I do use my facial sponges because they get into the pores. It's just a little thirsty. Rub, 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 dab, 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 dab it on like a foundation. Really, just rub it in. Get in all the crevices. Check for scratches and things like that along the trim. If you have a purse like this that is a little drier, this is really in good shape, but you can also use beeswax, guys. Beeswax oil does wonders on these. I may even rub it on at the end. Look at how beautiful this purse is. It's not just a crocodile purse by Brahmin. It's a bucket purse. It's a crossbody bag. It's trending. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. All right. I'm telling you, I'm going to list this for $125, $140, something like that. And I'm going to get it. $6, guys. All right. Trim looks good. Look at that. Ready to go. Putting it on Poshmark. Love it. Done. Ta-da! Yay!